Hello, hello. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. What is Prophub planning for all the peoples of the Discord? What is happening? Very, very interesting. Let me hop on video. What is happening? What is happening? We are not so sure yet. I'm just kidding. We know exactly what's happening. I would say maybe half. Half is going to be exposed today, and then the other half is going to be exposed once it comes. Very, very interesting, everybody. Good morning, Kanyesis. Good morning, VDV. Good morning, Adri. Good morning, M-Drop. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, AK. Good morning, Zulu. Look at all these beautiful people. I would definitely pay attention today. I would also pay attention to the announcements in the Discord today. That is all I'm going to be saying. What side y'all leaning? I'm feeling longs today, but I think we might range. What side am I leaning? Let me just double check my shit. I've been working on this. I think we could probably short to a little bit below 200 first, but on higher time frames, I like longs. I think we can get a bounce off like 200, 190-ish. You've heard it here first. I've done it again. 200, 190-ish. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. There is something coming, though. All will be revealed in due time. Market open in 2 minutes. We also have FOMC today. So today is a be careful day. A don't blow your account day. Is it full port Wednesday? Shit. I don't know. All I know is I am excited. I am excited for what's coming with Prophub. We've said multiple times that basically Prophub so far has just been like the beta. It's been like the beta test of what we have. And we've been doing a lot of things, a lot of deals, a lot of plans. Things take time, you know what I mean? But all I'm gonna say is do I even want to give a time frame?
Due time.
In due time, very soon.
Social stream on ramps?
I will. Do you think I could say I can guarantee that I can guarantee in a month's time that Prophub is gonna be, it's gonna look extremely different. There's gonna be some major W moves.
You can definitely say that. 100%.
Type shit. Market opens in less than a minute. Are you screen sharing?
Setting up, baby. Setting up.
You guys up late in the office last night, baking up some specials? Yeah. Yesterday was definitely a late day. Today is gonna be a late day.
Whoa.
There's well that is the wrong. That was me. Wow. There's gonna be a lot of late days at the office. In the near future. A lot of late days. All I know is we have a bunch of shit cooking for you. And it's gonna be absolutely banger. And it's gonna be better than anything you've ever seen. That's all I'm gonna say.
Is that a promise you can make the people?
I could actually promise that. You know? I've been a part of a lot of communities and I've seen how a lot of people run shit, and I will say I don't think anybody's gonna be able to keep up with what we're gonna be doing. Do you wanna wait a little bit? Market is open.
Yeah, we'll wait.
Maybe find some trades and then we'll do the major announcement. And then we'll put it in announcements too. There's that drop. There's that sweep of 190, 180. That's the short I was talking about first. Was a sweep of Asia lows. Now if we get a full reclaim of 200, then I would like longs. Below that, I don't like nothing.
Nope, we also trade options, baby.
Baby girl, what's your name? Everybody go to the TikTok. Ace of Trades is back on TikTok, baby. Let's go. You know the rules. Damn, look at that dumpy. Holy moly. Did somebody say shorts? Go to the TikTok, Ace of Trades with 3 S's. Everybody that has joined late, you better pay attention today. Biggest announcement Prophub has ever done. But it's only going to be like a half announcement. We don't want to give away too much. But hopefully, over the past, what has it been? Over the past like 4 or 5 months-ish, we have shown that when we say stuff, it means something for real.
You've got to be edging. You've got to be edging him.
Ace, what's your TA on the day?
My TA is that we're back on TikTok, so I expect a lot of people on there. Today is FOMC, baby. What is up? How you guys doing? Lots of major changes are coming to Prophub, like John said. I have 2 FA on for my options, so give me 2 seconds.
A lot of shit coming. I'm excited. I am excited. Took another scalp.
They
W
brought that
Zulu.
big ass roll, no? I don't know.
W Zulu. Leak it?
Just do it.
What's coming? Something's coming. I'm excited. It's been
Thoughts
a plan
on
for a long
Costco
time.
longs? Someone just said. We're ordering Costco to the building. We need some monsters. Because John is our absolute monsters. I think so.
Yep.
Water?
Yo, Ace.
Yeah, water. And if you guys want DC.
I understand. In terms of the major announcement, I think we could confidently say this is something that's been in the works for like 3 months or so. Like we've been talking about it for a long time.
We've just been waiting for, obviously, everything to fall into place properly, that we're not just jumping the gun and all that kind of stuff. But
because our number one priority is you guys, so we're making sure everything is proper.
Now it is time to dance.
Time to dance.
All right. John, you ready? Clicking enter.
Are you going to do it? Wait, do you want to
Should I do it, guys? I don't know if I should do it.
Wait. Do you want to say it live and then put the announcement, or do you want to just put the announcement and then talk as we go?
We got 66 people in here. We got 3 on Twitch, 2 on YouTube, 4 people on TikTok. That's not enough people, so I can't say anything yet. How about that?
We gotta wait.
VDV says, I'm here. You're an absolute beauty, VDV. I love how loyal you've been. Also, shout out to Pondy, guys. I don't know if you guys remember Pondy. He came on stream, did a freaking Uno reverse on his cam, and he's actually getting a payout on that giveaway account that we gave him.
Yeah.
Do you know how many people have been getting payouts on the accounts that we give them for free?
Bro, it's because we are Prophub.
They literally have just been paying $0 but getting payouts. It's insane.
W Pondy in the chat.
Eric has done that multiple times. W Pondy. Pondy has been next. Mike has done it.
Bro, show me another community that has that high of a rate of people winning free accounts and actually getting a payout first time on those accounts.
You can't.
Like, you literally can't. You know why you can't? Because all those other communities want you to fail so that your ass is still fucking spending more money, baby. At the end of the day, I believe if you just help people as much as possible over time, you will grow and do the best.
We are underneath our day open, guys, and we just broke through a lot of those pivots from yesterday's session highs. That 230 was absolutely crucial. We called that out yesterday. Literally was messaging Rams last night about that 230, and it's now 100 points underneath where that point is now. It is FOMC today, so obviously trade diligently and trade smart. I don't want you guys just jumping the gun for no reason. But yeah, lots of major things coming here to Prophub, which we're so excited to share with you guys. Options. I know a lot of you guys have been begging for options. And the swings have been doing phenomenal, but you guys really want the day trade. So what are we doing? I'm going to start day trading. Not only that, We are bringing in a full-time.
Oh, you're
Guys,
announcing shit.
I'm
I didn't
announcing
notice.
fucking shit.
It was so calm.
I did that so
It's so
slick. I
calm.
did it so slick, baby. We are bringing in a full-time streamer, day trader for you guys really soon. Not only that, we are going to be setting up challenges. So I know you guys love the small account challenges and all that kind of jazz. Well, guess what? That's back as well.
Huh.
Okay,
Back,
I was
baby.
known for doing a shit ton of those. And what I'm actually going to do, and I'm going to announce it right now, even though this is not even part of the game plan, just because I'm so hyped. I'm not running the first one, but the person that is super credible. And I want to do a challenge if he's successful. So if he can actually get the job done, I'm going to go head to head with a challenge with him to see who can get to that goal first with no full porting, maximum like 3 trades per day. So like we're actually putting criteria around it. That way you can't just full port, get to the goal.
Not only that,
what else? We're going to be doing more futures challenges.
Not only that,
we're going to get a full-time option streamer.
Not only that,
but we've just signed multiple deals with different people that we can't wait to show to you guys. But not only that.
Wait a minute. We trade New York session. Very interesting. Not only that.
What do you guys think is happening in Asia? I feel like that's a lot of missed opportunity. What do you guys think?
Wait, are you telling me that the market is open during Asia? Is that what you're telling me?
Prophub office is moving to Asia, baby. I'm just joking. Imagine, Pasta.
But in the near future, what is going to happen for that time frame?
In that time frame, I think it could be interesting. But how about you guys just read the announcement now, and you guys can get all of those details for you.
Not only that, actually, we can't give away everything. That was only like half of what we can give away. There's going to be a big change coming for what we're going to be able to offer you guys. And it's going to be like way better than what we've already been doing. We just have to make sure that it made sense and that we actually could run it properly and have the people behind it to run it properly. And yeah, so that was like half of the announcement. That was like the leak of the announcement. Go to the announcements channel. There is another thing there for you guys. Should we just talk about that too? About the grand?
I already put the announcement.
Look, let's talk about it live for all the other people on socials.
So for everyone on socials, we are obviously on Disc. I can't say the full name, otherwise we'll get banned. But there's a link right there on the screen as well for most of you guys. And sorry, I was looking at my option. We are grandfathering our price at an insanely stupid rate.
It's the biggest sale we've ever done.
Yeah, if you guys ask any single person inside of Premium, you guys can ask them like, hey, is it worth it? All that kind of stuff. And I guarantee you almost every single person, there's a reason why we have 5-star rating. It doesn't even look real. Yeah. But on WAP, we literally have a 5-star rating. Eric just said VIP pays for itself in one stream. Guys, Eric has received multiple payouts literally just from Asia callouts. Like by the time it's New York, he doesn't even have accounts to trade because we took bangers in Globex.
And by the way, this major sale that we're doing, we didn't need to do it, but we were talking about it and we're like, okay, there's big changes coming to the lineup of what's being offered in Prophub.
And we know that we're going to grow like crazy, but we want our OGs with us.
Yeah, and we were like, you know what? All the people that have been here, all the OGs, all the people that have supported us from the beginning, let's give them all an opportunity to make sure that it's the cheapest possible for them. Biggest sale, grandfathered in, which means you will never, ever, no matter what, pay more than that grandfathered in price, that major sale. And to even make it easier for you, there's potentials for installments.
Yo, someone's asking, because on TikTok, we're like right beside each other.
Yeah,
just make a kissy face. Just do it.
Just do it. I don't want to do it.
Just do it. Wait, I didn't screenshot.
No, I'm not screen. No,
quick.
That's gay.
Quick. No. Yeah, it's Eric. Lukey boy sub. Ooh, what is up, Lukey boy? They've been subbed for not in a row. 13 months.
13
Well,
months in a
shit,
row. What a
13.
go. What a go.
3 months in advance. Lukey boy, you're an
Anybody
absolute
who
goat.
joined the Discord late, there was just a massive announcement. We actually talked more in the live about what was going on than in the announcement. But go to the announcements channel, check it out. There's so much more coming, but we literally can't talk about all of it until it's done. We want to make sure.
Yeah, this thing's trying to V-shape
Yeah.
recovery off of the open. That just touched your day open as well as your Asia low. So we could potentially see a rejection off of here. Again, it is FOMC, so just be careful, guys. I would actually argue, like you guys know, I like my low risk, high reward trades. And with that, basically mitigating that 200, it would have been a nice trigger right there at that 196. So that high for the short with an SL literally just at 210, 215 at the most. And that would have given you 25 points of risk, which you would have made right there. That was already 25 points.
Yeah. You'd have to lose the 75 to go lower. For sure, for sure.
But welcome everyone who is on TikTok. Hope you guys are doing well. Antonio, I tried to make him do it. He didn't do it. But glad to see you in here.
Bro, I love that screenshot. We literally gave Pondy an account for making us laugh, and he's getting a payout. That is so sexy.
You guys want to see something jokes?
That is so sexy.
I want to get me and Pondy's DMs.
DMs?
Yeah. Well, no one can use that code anymore, so it's fine. So I can actually share it.
Are you sure?
No one can use it. It's a one-time
okay.
code. Look at this,
I
guys.
understand.
So I'm like, hey, Pondy, here's your code for your Lucid account. He says, thanks, daddy. But look when he responds. It was the 17th, and he responded yesterday saying thanks. Like, brother, you're a little late to the party. So I said, bro, took 11 days to respond. And then he shows the payout. And then I'm like, all right, I get it.
He got the account and then got the payout, and he was like, now I can actually say
now
thanks.
I can. 11 days later, guys, and he got the payout.
Off a free account. Free account, 11 days later payout.
Absolute banger. There it is again at that 200.
Prophub,
Do I want to trigger it now that it's coming for that retest? I would need to be back under 90. So underneath 90 would be a lot more confirmation for me moving forward. Underneath 175 is full confirmation.
I understand that.
I'd want to go a little lighter. Sorry, Rams, I have to change it.
I would understand.
I changed it to MNQ. So that is under 190 now. And underneath 175 is my trigger and triggered. All right.
That shit was loud. Ramsicles? Oh, okay, it's on my end. In my ear, I'd hear, order filled.
So I am in lighter, obviously, with it being FOMC. My stop right now is a little bit on the higher side just because I am in with the lighter position. So it is at like 220.5. And I'm just going to chill on that for now while we continue to yap. Also, I thought I had the trading executions on.
Wait, trading executions on? What does that mean? What I mean?
It's supposed to show, but it's not.
I understand.
I have to refresh my trade of 8. I'm sorry, guys. Give me 2 seconds.
Bro, once we lose this 170, I think we'll flush. For real. At least go to that 150 retest.
I'm green, by the way, guys.
Yep, I'm also green. Anybody that's late, we are in the shorts.
Oh, I know why it's not showing. I'm in on MNQ.
There's 165.
Is that why?
I want to see a close below 75. Below 70 would be the extra sexy. Next duck race, can you name me Miek? People don't even know the Miek lore. There is Miek lore. Very nice, very kind.
Oh, that's annoying.
There's 160, 15 points. 155, that's 20 points. That is the top of one of the big range, though. I want to see if we can
Got it to work.
hold or bounce. What's happening?
The application for TradingView isn't working for me, so I'm gonna have to share Rams, the web browser.
Sounds good. Don't worry, the screen share is coming
No,
back,
not yet.
ladies and gentlemen.
I am.
Should I screen share it for now, or are you about to?
No, give it a sec.
All right. Make sure you don't share the wrong tab, Ace. Yeah, don't expose your nudes. There's the retest of the 170.
You got that, Rams? Yeah, I have to do it on TikTok.
Suck down, beauty. Beauty, beauty. Baby, what's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. Let me buy you a drink. Yes. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. Close under 160 would be nice. That would be nice. I think this candle just needs to suck down on some type shit. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? What? He did it again? Damn, this candle's kind of pushing. No cap.
Green though, yeah.
Yeah, no, that was 20
I'm
points.
not even
Green.
focused. I'm out here doing stuff.
I understand. I'd want to see this candle suck down below 75 again. That would make me confident. 76.25 at most. 2-minute closes in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't get the full close I wanted. That is a decent wick. Baby girls, what's your names? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you. When am I making a trip to the office? Whenever you want. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna do this until you're ready. Oh, that's probably gonna look like shit. But it's not full. Damn it! I gotta.
I'm green again.
What's that? Are you gonna share screen?
Yeah. Sorry, bro. I'm trying to cook out here.
I understand. All right, just tell me when so I can stop it. We are green again here. Very nice, very simple, very good rejection. I know. Just need an extension of that 155, and then probably we'll base it off the 150. 150 could be a good trim point too. For sure, for sure. Babe, what is your names? Let me talking to you. Let you drink.
I'm not even focused on my trade. This thing has probably gone green multiple times, and I'm just trying to cook for y'all.
I understand. We're just chilling. It's okay. Vibing in this position, light position, FOMC day. Took the short right around when you did after ES filled the gap. I understand. How's ES looking? What the hell was that? Oh, it disappeared. You guys see that? There we go. Oh god, that's like an expose. I'm exposing. Baby, yeah. What's your name? Let me talk to you. Another rejection of that 200. Are we gonna get a flip? We gonna get a flippity dip. I think you could potentially see a quick sweep of that wick at 200, and then we would need a reverse from there. If not, traders, why you don't expose? We transparent or not? I don't know, but I'm exposing an indicator that I've been working on that's not done yet. You know? It's the one I've been talking about. It cooks. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Gotta get a rejection of this 200. Otherwise, it's gonna be an elbozo. My SL is above that wick at 222.
I'm gonna raise it just a bit.
25-ish. Oh, I got
And
tapped on
tapped.
my accounts. I wasn't able to raise the other one to 25, but
Okay, I think I got this fixed now.
that is okay.
Jack. Sorry, guys. I was doing some technical fixings.
So can I stop screen sharing now?
Yeah.
All right. We're back. We're back with it.
That was annoying.
It's okay.
My app for TradingView wasn't working, and I had done something for you guys just so that you guys can see the executions happen on TradingView as well. So if you guys are watching on socials, you guys get to see all executions with the fills, all that kind of good stuff. And it kind of just ate at me there. Like
That's okay. You know what's annoying? On my other account, I didn't get filled. I got filled on that. I mean, I could still get filled, but like, this flips green. Then I was just too slow. It is what it is. When's this candle closing? 3 seconds. It's probably just gonna go down to retest structure of that 200 real quick.
TikTok looks good.
You think of a flip to long?
Off of that
Mind it.
200
Yeah.
wouldn't be bad. It did touch or get close to that 230, which is my level on NQ. And if it literally slides back underneath 185 at this point, 185 is the new confirmation. It doesn't even have to be 175 anymore. But I am going to put in an
That's some
order
tough shit.
in at 176.75. And there you guys go. You guys can see it on both now. That is your previous day POC.
That's
So
cool.
it is a little bit of a tricky spot. Again, going in at a lighter position. But we'll see.
Baby
Oh.
girls. What's your names? As long as we hold below this.
Oh, Vinny was awake.
Where is he? Oh, he messaged you?
No, he put in announcements. Cancel your monthly if you subscribe to yearly, smiley face.
Oh, yeah. That makes sense. You know why he said that? Because he's gonna get a bunch
Many
a
people.
bunch of tickets,
Yeah.
and he's gonna have to manually fix all of it. So that was actually smart.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I have news for you
For me?
and for everyone in here. I'm just gonna double check to make sure I'm correct on this news.
Okay.
But
I
double
don't know what the
checking,
news is.
double checking, double checking.
I don't know my own news. Very interesting. Yeah, there's a suck up a reclaim of that 200. Probably gonna get the push now.
So
Potentials.
the news is there's only one more available.
Already?
I made it so that literally it was absolutely exclusive because we didn't want people to just use and abuse it. But people obviously really wanted to be a part of the growth of Prophub and how much we've been growing and wanted to be an OG grandfathered in price and all of that kind of stuff. So there is only one more available as of right now. I didn't even read the full announcement, honestly.
That's actually hilarious.
But yeah, there's literally one available left.
Well, there you go. It is what it is, man. Shit.
Yep. And 230 is my level, guys. So if we can see this thing crack, 250 is very easy, a very easy target to get to. But again, it is only 20 points. Your downside is literally 30 points. So you're running a negative R at that point with the hope that it cracks 50. But I think that it is strong enough to try to get there, assuming we can hold 225, which is your New York afternoon high from yesterday's session.
Do you understand it now?
I've been trying to understand it. I'm going to cancel that 176.75 order. So we need to stay above that 225 to 230 range. And then from there, we can see some extensions. We're trying. And honestly, I'm okay triggering it. And I would actually want a tighter SL because I think that if this invalidates, it's going to invalidate pretty quick.
Honestly, I really like above
It needs to
I
close
only like it above.
225.
Yeah, I was just
Yeah,
gonna say above 225.
it needs to
Otherwise,
close above
yeah, I
225,
like that. I like that.
and then 230 is like that firm level for me
I'm gonna put a TP at 269 for the culture.
for the culture. I mean, if it's for the culture, it makes sense, right?
269. Baby girl, what's your name?
So risking $151 here with my stop, guys, with already a loss in place, and it is FOMC. So
Mm-hmm.
be careful.
No, I like this.
Let's go, Frank. W. Frank. Frank just passed his accounts
Good
on
shit.
TPT.
Love to see it. Love to see it. No, Jimothy, we're in longs. Did you say short? You definitely said
No,
long.
longs.
Yeah. You can also see the screens. You don't see the screens? What do you think this is? Mm. Mm.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
This is so ugly. Rams, is there any way to remove this?
Ba-da-da-da-da. Yes,
Oh,
ladies and
what?
gentlemen, we are in long.
Oh,
JJ,
whoa.
one more
Yeah, that
account,
is a
please. Out
lot.
of stock
Right?
before I could click button.
I don't think there is.
Oh, it's already out of stock?
That's so lame.
It's already done.
Is it?
Yeah. Mm.
My end, it shows that. Let me see if it is done.
Okay, check if it's
No,
done. We'll,
there should be one more. Unless someone has it in their checkout and they're just hoarding it.
Is that how it works?
I think so.
I understand. What do you think? I think we can extend it a bit.
I mean, we just
bit.
announced it. So, you know what? We're still live.
Yeah, fuck it.
Do it
Extend
here
it a
right
bit.
now. Oh,
Yeah,
just for
Jeff
you
tried
guys.
to. The grandfather.
Yeah, it still says there's one more in stock. I'll
Just
open it up.
extend it a bit. That's also true. Jay has been asking for a while, so we'll bless him up.
Okay, there.
It is what it is.
I opened it.
All right, it's opened up. Let's see who gets them first.
It's a race.
It's a duck race.
What?
Wait, what? Production?
Oh, wait. I see what's going on here.
Was there a problem?
No,
Did you set it up right?
I did, but
The current long, which shows 6 at 33, is that JJ or Ace? Well, we're both in it, but the screen is Ace. Baba Ganoush. Not a fan of Baba Ganoush. I can't even lie. You know what I mean? It's just not my thing. I'm just more of a hummus kind of guy, you know?
hummus.
You know what I mean? He said,
Testing underneath
"What?"
220 here. Probably gonna get tapped out.
Yo, Jay said code isn't working.
All right, give me a second.
Oh my god. How do I get the line across the chart for my working orders? Are you talking about Tradeovate? If you're talking about Tradeovate, click the box on the top left that says chart settings, and then go to fills and orders, and then show orders and show order lines. It's right here. Oh, that screenshot was kind of ass, but it's there. This is dumping, but still am thinking I like. Quick little 200 retest. Suck up. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the game. The game of the ball and the ball of the game. Take me out. Yeah, we're not the same. Oh, you got tapped out?
Yeah. Can someone try now?
I understand.
The people who were interested. I think I did it. If I screwed this, I didn't double check it. You guys are making me run too quick.
Oh my god, this guy's name is Hummus is overrated. That's crazy.
Okay, we are back underneath 200. We're inside of chop right now, guys. I would definitely trade a lot more conservative. You guys could take that bounce off of 200, target like 183 as a stop. I don't like it though, especially after a pop and then rejection off of that pop. It would need a hold 205 at the minimum for that long to be confirmed for a switch sides. But it's testing your day open,
The roof.
testing your Asia low, and like I said, 185 would be confirmation for my short. 176 was my trigger prior.
I half size it at FOMC. I completely agree.
Yep, that's what we've been doing.
We said from the beginning, FOMC, the go light day, a not blow your account day. You know, I mean, still telling me out of stock when I try. Try refreshing it. Is it fixed up? Take.
It says it's fixed.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Try refreshing. Unless somebody already snagged. Like, unless a bunch of people were just waiting to snag it. Here we go. I want to see a nice reclaim of the 200. What? Which one? Take me out to the game of the balls.
Balling of the games it goes.
Yes, you already knows. The balls and the games are starting the shows. Where do you cancel monthly? WAP sucks. Where do you do that? Should we just bother Vinny? Is Vinny here?
You do it under your subscriptions on your account.
Where do they see that?
Well, we can help you guys with that after trading. I'm doing too much support shit right. Okay.
understand.
Yeah, if you guys could try using the code, if it still doesn't work, let me know and then I'll really work
If it
on
still
it.
doesn't work, we'll lock in on trading, and then after we'll fix it and we'll announce it.
Thank you, VDV. VDV just said you do it on WAP orders or subscriptions.
Oh, Opti just said code works.
Thank you, Opti. Yeah,
VDV,
so here's my level. It's testing underneath that 190. Obviously, no dice, no real close. Needs to be underneath that Asia low of 191.5. You do have your previous day low sitting at 176, which is what we took prior. And then that went down all the way to 55. So 20 points is still, my guys. The old trade.
Yeah, I understand. But it's time to lock in.
Lock into it.
Finally got it to work for me. Had to completely close and reopen my browser for some reason. Thank you. No a problem, Mr.
No problem,
Jeff.
Jeff.
Bro, I'm like so excited. I wish I could actually tell them everything. But
Everything that's going on.
I know.
Trust me. Me too.
Like it's like a major overhaul update.
Like, remember we told you guys like this Prophub, yes, we're still gonna have free streams and all of that kind of stuff.
Yeah, that's always gonna.
But the value that we're going to be adding into premium is just ridiculous. And everyone literally tells us who's in premium is like, you guys are really undervaluing yourself.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure that if you guys have been the ones supporting us for this long, and we don't want to cook y'all. We want to cook all the new members.
So funny. We've had convos with people who also have products, and like it's not even close in terms of value to price point.
And they get so surprised when they
Yeah.
hear like, they're like, bro, what are you guys doing? We're like,
Yeah.
we're being friends with our community.
They're like, you guys could literally charge like more than double. We're like, yeah, we know, but fuck it.
Fuck
think
it,
this
we
is-
ball.
Fuck it, we ball. On some type shit.
Nice bounce off that day open London low and
Mhm.
Asia low right there. Decent reclaim.
Yeah, structurally, this is literally just an uptrend. It's just deep, like deep pullbacks. Take me out to the what? You've got to
Not a
be
fan of this
kidding me.
movement though.
Yeah, no, it's not great.
Yeah.
It is FOMC day.
15 minutes still looks horrid. 30 minutes. 30 minutes needs that hold above 200, and then from 200 you still have that 230. From that 230, it's looking clean.
Yo, chat, you want to go to announcements and spam emojis on that announcement? Oh, and use any custom ones you have. I want to see. Anybody has any cool emojis from other servers to spam that announcement on? Show off your emojis. Take me out to the what? You've got to be kidding me.
No one
PA
wants to spam
is
emojis. So sad.
after everything we do. It's okay. I understand. They only want
Thanks,
to get
Frank. Frank
yeah,
shared the
multiple
live.
out.
I appreciate you, Frank.
W Frank.
Frank putting in work on TikTok, guys. How about you guys?
Huh. Look at me. I'm liking on TikTok. Wow.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Very nice, very kind. Let's see. Are we gonna get the hold of the 200?
Are we going to get the Fibonacci retracement?
Find out next time on the episode of Dragon Ball Z. Very nice. By the way, if anybody is getting super cooked today on FOMC, that is a what's it called? That is a lesson in terms of sizing. You know what I mean? Even Kels says it, but Kels knows how to trade. You know,
You know?
Kels knows how to run it. FOMC is like, if you're ever full sizing on FOMC, I just don't understand. That's debatable. What, that you know how to trade? That's how you actually know that you know how to trade.
Is when you can joke about not knowing how to trade.
You know what I mean? I feel like all the people that don't know how to trade are like, I'm the best trader. I know how to read all the charts. I'm very good at trading.
Done it again.
I've done it again multiple times. Sometimes you just got to understand it.
Yeah, I have a question for you guys. John
the
didn't
question?
want me to do this on stream, but I don't care. How many of you guys are on grown TikTok? Like a grown
Oh
stick?
my god.
Do you guys know what I'm talking about?
Oh man, bank accounts speak louder than words. What a fact. That is actually a fact. I do have two CEs here at like that 170 to 180 range. So as long as we hold that, I am still confident in a flip and reversal long. Below that though, we'll
A
probably
what?
get
A
another
grown
retest
stick.
of 150.
People are gonna leave. They're like, "What the heck are you guys doing? That's enough." Use those things in the bedroom.
What happened to your
You can.
what happened to your share screen?
What do you mean?
It's different.
No, it should be fine. It was fine like 2 seconds ago.
Bombo split. What? Yeah, there's no trade of it. Don't worry, Chad, I got you. We think this is proper, baby.
No, but
No, it was fine in the
yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. 10:10 a.m. We've done it again. Now I see both. Oh, I see. I understand. Here's the live setup. The live fix. There's the potential bounce off that 180. It's all about the potentials. All about being patient. Being patient on an FOMC day. Sorry.
All right, should be good now.
All right, looking good. Looking good, looking kind. Looking very, very nice. We
I
have
know what's
done
going on.
it again.
Now it's gone again, right?
We.
Yep.
Oh, you figured out what you were doing? You figured it out again. We've done it again. Very, very nice. Very kind. Yo, chat. Who in chat has? Because I just want to get like a sense, a good feel of what's going on. Since a lot of people lately have been getting payouts on free accounts and getting their first payouts ever. I forgot who it was. Someone got a payout after like 2.5 weeks of watching us, and that was their first payout. Who hasn't gotten a payout yet? Who is it? It's okay. It's completely normal. Don't be shy. Jay, I keep blowing accounts. Okay, Jay, be completely honest. How often do you over leverage or over trade? Actually, for all the people who haven't, have you ever ran through a full account and didn't over leverage or over trade a single time on that account? Be completely honest. A lot, getting better.
Yeah, hopefully now there's no issues.
With the screen share?
Yeah.
What about you, VDV? Have you actually gone through an entire account? I'm still on my first account. I think I've just been too conservative on my stops and sizing. Yeah, that's something that you learn pretty early. You need to give your trades room to run. You know? Like if it's about catching, it's about being a part of the wave, not like sniping the absolute most perfect entries. Like VDV, how many times have you went long or went short and it hit your TP, but you were stopped out before it got there because you were too scared on risking? Because I can guarantee, without you even answering, that's definitely happened so many times, where your TA is correct, but you just miss it. Only like 100 billion, exactly.
Like 100 billion trillion.
You gotta give yourself room to run. You plan to have someone go live during Globex or just call out entries and exits? Oh my god, it seems like we've given out too much information.
We've done it again.
We've done it again. Ace, do you want to speak on that or no?
Both.
Okay.
We'll stay transparent. It's both.
It's both. There you go. Your answer has been answered. We've done it again.
You're welcome.
TA is right, but size too heavy and blow it for it, then reverse and hit TP. Happened too many times to count. We learn from it. Yeah. I'd say that's probably one of the biggest mistakes people do is size too heavy, don't give themselves enough room. And then they get taken out, it hits their TP, and then now they tilt because they're pissed. So now they do it again. And then they blow their account.
Thing looks like shark.
I still like longs to my 269. I'm telling you. Some of us learned from it. That's a fact. I heard a quote. I don't know if it was from you or from someone else. It was no, I think it was someone else. The quote is like shit. I don't remember.
Here.
I forget what it was. It was something about lessons learned. I don't remember.
That was the top quote on our
What
on the
was
video
it?
you
What was
posted.
it? Do you remember?
Yeah, I do. Because I
I don't-
made a video about it too.
Like, what is it?
It's lessons in trading.
You don't have to verbatim it. Basically, what it says is there's some people who they have to like go through the same lesson 1,000 times and then learn it, and then there's some people that they get a lesson and they learn it right away. You know, like all the people who
I
haven't
like my
gotten
version better. Lessons in trading. Period.
all the people that haven't gotten the payout, 99% of you know exactly what lesson you need to learn, and it's probably either oversizing
to
or
trigger
overtrading or being too
a
scared.
quickie.
And you know, it just depends. How long do you want to take to learn it? Because if you just don't learn it, you're just gonna keep going through it and never get a payout. I have to go through the lessons 10,000 times. Yeah, some people are like that.
Yeah.
I'm somebody that was like, I'm stubborn by nature, you know?
Taking that quick scalp that I showed you guys. I want this to go above 20 and I'll drop my stop, dropping it. Got triggered already. That's so lame. That's the thing with those quickie scalps. Not much you can do.
I
You
still
just got to
think
accept it.
I still like longs if we get a close above 25. But yeah, that would be my biggest tip.
Ayo.
Oh, very, very nice.
You have a big
Like
dip?
strategy, don't get me wrong, strategy does matter, you know, but at the end of the day, you can have the best, most accurate strategy in the world
And
if
the
you're
smallest tip.
and the smallest tip. You know what I mean? Like you could literally sit next to ace
And
in real
still
life
lose.
and still blow accounts if you just don't know how to manage your risk properly. It's very simple. Oh, oh, oh.
I know something about small tips.
Yo, Ace,
Hi.
don't say anything. Just read the chat real quick and see if you notice what I noticed. And like, isn't that kind of funny? See if you can find it.
I see what you notice.
You see it?
The color? Is that what you mean?
I mean,
Mute
I'm-
yourself for 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
wait.
Okay.
Because we were talking about that earlier. Do you see it? Go
This?
down, bottom.
This?
Yeah.
Ah.
Very interesting. Very, very interesting.
Huh.
Do we hold off on that? I
Hmm.
think we definitely hold off on that.
Hold off on that.
Yeah. Okay. Fuck, I'm just excited. There's so much shit coming. It's
I
gonna be
know.
ridiculous. And that's not just like some marketing bullshit. Like literally, if somebody were to leave Prophub now and come back in 30 days, they'd be like, "What the fuck? This is ridiculous."
Yeah. This whole business structure is so different. Is this still Prophub? Nope, we got bought out.
Imagine.
Funny enough. I could say that part.
Yeah, you could say that part.
There
Wait,
was
did you get a did he answer?
he wants to have a
details?
meeting,
Bruh.
but like I don't think it's gonna go through. I'm willing to tell the people. I actually don't care.
Yeah.
But we did get an offer for a buyout for Prophub.
Because we are too good.
They're like, man, you guys are on a fucking roll. It's been 6 months and you guys have made it this far. Blah 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 blah. Blee 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 blee. Ace, you're such a fucking printer. No wonder why all the top discords want you. Blah 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 blah. That's why all these people with 500k following, 300k following, all love you and follow you. And I'm like, I know, stroke me harder, daddy. And they wanted to buy us out. Was it Max? It was not Max.
Imagine.
Before Prophub, and again, this is just coming from full
Have
transparency.
we ever had an actual full talk with chat about all that? Or
No.
we just kind of
That's what I was gonna say. I'm like, so when I had left SD, I did have a talk with Max, and Max was trying to bring me on as one of their main people, all
as
of
his
that
number
kind of
two,
stuff.
basically.
as his number two. So it's like me and Llama as his like main guys, and I denied it because I'd rather full transparency, do my own thing, and even though that would have generated a shit ton of money, it's not always about the money. At the end of the day, I like my sanity. I like having my control, and sometimes the easy route isn't always the best route.
True. Sometimes doors open, but they're not meant to be walked through.
Sometimes
And
paths are
sometimes what we
paid.
touch.
Sometimes paths are paid. It doesn't mean you should take that road. Gonna continue with. Okay.
No. I look at, yeah, no, I think that's good. We don't need to go
Hey,
further.
Kels, we don't bad talk
We
other
don't-
servers,
yeah, we don't bad talk.
regardless if you might be correct or not. I'm not going to say whether you're correct or not, but I put the emoji. So literally went to go touch that 230 that I've literally been yapping about since yesterday. Not much going on right now.
Literally just need that close above 25 again. And I would like the longs.
Underneath 15 though, and honestly, this might be a poop show.
A poopers?
Yeah.
Poopers scoopers?
Let's see if I can get a quick scalp.
Oh, oh. No, stop. You know why? It's like musical, so that's why it gets stuck in your head easy.
It's so musical.
Very musical.
21, 22, 20.
Ace is going for a quick scalp right now. Me personally,
I
I'm
was
waiting
green.
for-
I would have triggered myself, but I didn't. And
You were
now
too
I'm
slow?
about to eat it.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm personally waiting
Like
for
that.
the long above 25.
Yeah, that tapped me.
Honestly, that's a good scalp though. Like that's
Still not
something I would
bad.
take. Close in 6 seconds. Are we gonna suck up and get that 25 or not? Probably not. You
There
have
it
to
is
keep
again.
waiting. Who's tapping you? Wait, what?
Hey, yo.
Guys, you gotta remember, a lot of trading is just waiting. You know what I mean?
Wait for this.
You gotta calm down that inner degen that a lot of people have that like wants you to always be in something. You know what I mean? And just chill.
Just tell it to relax a little.
Tell it to relax.
Tell it to take that chill and pillings.
People are asking, how much will you sell this Discord for? We already talked about it. It would have to be such a stupidly ridiculous number that like we would actually be retarded to say no to.
It also depends on like what's
Am I allowed
built
to say
into
that?
the contract.
Am I allowed to say that? Are we gonna get banned? I'll give you $1.50 deal. Take it. I'll take it. Adri, you're red. All good. All good. It's about that patience. No, close above 25 for me personally is a re-entry long. The only thing is with this movement, your SL would have to be pretty deep, so you'd have to be in with like a decently light position,
There's that 230 again.
like a few micros type shit. $1 Canadian? Yeah, I'm gonna owe you money, bruh.
Your Costco order?
What is it? Is it the monsters?
Yeah.
Yeah, more monster. It's FOMC. It was expected, to be honest. I just de-risked to save my account. That's exactly what you should be doing.
There we go. Above 230 now.
Mm-hmm. I'm still in the original long, I haven't sold.
Believe you.
Just been chilling here.
That's equal highs. I want to see if we can take out equal highs. Which sucks because then you have that wall at 250 again. But
I still like my 269.
that took out that previous high.
It's not
As
really.
long as it doesn't
269.
reject here, this thing could still be long in.
It's actually
We'll see.
267. 267 is my actual. Ooh, ow, ow.
Ew, ew.
Very nice, very kind. Very nice, very kind. Oh, oh. Out half for 20. W Kels. W Kels. www.kelsisalegend.com. Could take a trim at 250 for sure, though. We'll say that.
Yeah, I agree. And to be honest, I might do the whole like take, and if it breaks, then re-enter.
I'm gonna trim personally. Me personally.
There it
Give me a
is.
big trim though.
I'm moving SL.
Ooh, I was a dick for a tick. I can't lie. I
It's
still
literally
think I'll
10
get
points
hit.
for me. It's
Yeah,
nothing
all right.
big.
I just got triggered for a
It's
trim.
literally nothing big.
Got triggered for a nice little trim. I'm still holding to that 6-7.
I want to see if we can hold above that 250 for a way bigger trade here.
6-7. Damn, this guy sprinted.
Oh no.
Wasn't that heavy.
This guy sprinted. For real, for real.
This guy's heavy breathing, guys.
Production in the background is. Like, holy moly, production.
Let's see if it cracks 250, guys.
That makes
I actually wouldn't mind a buy stop at like 55.
I understand.
54, you have those previous lows there. Oh, that triggered me quick.
My TP is 6-7. That's like the third time I'm saying it. Just saying. Sob. Oh, that's what took me out at BE 207, then ran. See, that's another thing people do. Now, Site, you're a GOAT. You got like 1 million accounts, which is fire. But being early, I'm not saying that's what you did, but just going back to before, mistakes that people make, that's a big one. It'll be green like 10, 15 points, and they'll be like, all right, risk-free trade. Then they get tapped and it goes, and they're like, wow, maybe I should have not done that.
Maybe I should have not done that.
Maybe I should have held.
And we want that to hold, obviously. 55 at this point. So 50 is still the level. Don't get me wrong, but it needs to close at 250. We got 3 minutes, 3 seconds left on this 3-minute candle. That just closed underneath 250. Still a bullish run. So could draw down a little and then have a push. So
Yeah, our
I wanna
weekly
stay a
anchored is at
little
that
loose.
57 too.
Can't even stay a little loose. Forgot I sized it.
I still do think this has room to run up, but I do think it could pull back. Just looking at how PA's been, it's been a lot of aggressive pullbacks before continuation. But me personally, I just got my limit at 6-7, waiting to get filled for that green.
I have mine at 72, 75.
300. This guy's going for the big one. I respect it.
I respect it.
I respect it. That is nice green for me. What's your entry? Yeah, my entry's 39. Yeah,
54.
54. Yeah, I still have my original entry at 39.
I put a limit there. It got filled off the wick and then literally came down. But I'm actually sized in a little bit too much. I was hoping for a full continuation run off of that 250. And after that pull back down underneath it, and it's still trying to hold, gets a little bit saucy. There is green right there, but nothing to
Watch that
write home about
6-7.
mama about.
Watch that 6-7. The highway. 6-7. What? I don't know the actual lyrics.
There's
think this is-
65.
And I
And
just got
boom,
filled.
I just got filled as
6-7.
well at my 72.
Haha, we've done it again at blah blah blah. Very nice. All right, I'm basically BE on the day. Made back all of my losses.
I'm still slightly down, but
I am still slightly down, but it's basically BE. Basically.
if we get a pullback to 55, even 57, I'm going to look into enter on a lighter position for a continuation. I can see this thing ripping 85 is your next like decent TP. Good job at that 272, 75 fill.
W, who took that? Who took that, baby? You guys got to remember, if you're blowing accounts in like 1-2 trades, you are way too heavy. You
That
gotta
is your
give yourself
618
room.
as well extension there at 277, which it tapped perfectly.
Mhm.
Your 0.5 is 65, so you guys could get a trigger at 6.5 for a lighter position, which I think I'm going to do. Literally 2 micros.
7.6 is the bottom of an hourly base for me, which we're literally rejecting off of right now.
Sell 34.
Taking the. Wait, you're taking continuation?
Yeah.
Long?
Off that weekly anchored and your 0.5 little tiny trace.
30 micros, too much. What are you going to get in 3 minis on a 50K? Yeah, you're going to blow it, obviously. It's like being wrong twice and you're done, which is ridiculous.
Real.
You got to give yourself room to be wrong. It's not about
216 is
always being right, you know? Trying to instill in you what actual real trading
Yo.
looks like.
What are you trying to put in them?
I'm trying to instill inside of them what real trading looks like.
5 test, which is your 382.
Because one of the main issues is people only watch people who are
Any
like
reclaims, I
always
want to go
printing.
decent now. Decently sized. If it reclaims. The retest and then reclaim.
Mm-hmm.
Drop my SL. Like
Yeah, Kels, that's a rite of passage. I feel like everyone has to go through that in their own way. Oh my god.
I told you I was gonna get stuck in your head. You're like, nah,
Shit.
I'm not gonna do it.
Shit. Bing 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 bong
click
bing
this
bing
jump
bing bing
thing.
bong bing bing bong. Typing while shitting. Bro, look at that. Pretty banger. You know what? I want to make a plan for that too, by the way. But in the future.
There it is, guys. That's kind of the retest I wanted and reclaim. So as long as this can close 6 seconds.
Did you say 6-7?
No, I did not actually.
Nice suck up.
Yep. And
real,
top
for real,
of this
for real.
range goes from 80 to 88. So I'd start to drag stops as soon as it gets to that. I mean, just got to 80. So watch out there. That's all I'm saying. You guys could take that trim as well. Don't let me stop you.
Yeah, that 80 is a good trim. Also, pro tip.
Moving my stop now right underneath that 80. If I get tapped, I get tapped. It's going to be at the bottom of that wick. So 76.
Pro tip. Instead of setting limits for a trim, what you could do is set stops.
Cool.
And then as soon as it hits that level, you just drag up tight, just in case you get those candles that like rail through. You grab an extra 10, 15 points.
What is your language today?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Also, guys, make sure to follow us on socials if you haven't and engage with the content. There's going to be some dope shit coming out too. Very, very nice.
76. Missed out on, is that 5 points?
How's my beard? I'm going to watch the Trade Evade vid tonight. Yeah, everybody should go to the YouTube. We put out another long form. Also, should we just announce that too about the long form plan? Because it's like basically official now.
Yeah, if you guys can go over to our YouTube, Rams, if you could drop that link, head over to our YouTube and make sure that you guys are subscribed. We are going to be dropping content heavy from literally breakdowns, accounts, things that you guys will actually find very, very useful. Even if you're an advanced person.
Yeah, we're going to be dropping like 2 long forms per
Yeah.
week is the plan.
When I made that Tradeovate video, I was actually learning stuff as I was doing it. I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
I'm like, this is awesome. So like, if you guys are just like utilizing the very, very basics of Tradeovate, I would actually watch that video because you guys might grab something off of it. There's also little tips and tricks that I have for you guys. So an example of that is, which I didn't share on that video, and we could make another video off of it, is if you guys wanted to utilize ATM settings, right? But copy trading through Tradeovate, it won't allow you to do that when you're grouped. But if you guys are using a trade syncer or copy trader, you guys can still utilize your ATM settings.
Mhm.
That's just like another little tip or trick right there. You know what I mean?
Which ATM settings is actually fire.
Out at 86, banger Kels. Good
what
shit.
A banger. Look at Kels. So sexy, so kind, so nice. Also, look at this push.
It's funny because I know exactly what he was targeting there,
Well,
too.
they told you, as soon we got that close above that 25, and we've just been ripping since.
Yep.
Very, very kind.
Very, very kind. It's nice. Look at this. You guys can't see my other screen, but like, look at these executions. It's so sexy. We've been trying to get the longs from 200 and just trying to trade that range, but a few of my scalps went red, obviously. So I'm still down $95, but mitigated a lot of those losses.
It's a perfect example of risk management. Because I know there are some people that went way too heavy for no reason and blew their accounts on an FOMC day.
Mm-hmm.
When if you had proper risk management, like Ace showed, he's basically BE. Which is very nice, which now gives an opportunity if there's another good setup can finish the day green.
And if not, then it's fine.
Exactly. There's the 300 test.
Yep. That's your Asia high at 294, by the way, guys.
I would love to see a sweep above 300 and then fail out of it, and that'd be a potential short for me.
I actually very much agree. Because if I thought you were going to say long, and I'm like,
No,
I was
no.
actually going to take the opposite at 285.
What do you think this is?
Too many times.
But that long on the other? I wonder what
Juicy,
you did,
juicy long right
Zoo.
now. Juicy, juicy long.
I actually wonder what you did. If you're not looking for a trade right now, Mr. Ace,
I'm doing
are?
I'm
Okay.
doing something.
I understand.
I'm always doing something while we are live.
What are times you use for Asia Open close in Easter time, please, Ace? 6 p.m.
What happened?
6 p.m. open.
Is there a video on the indicator? Did we not upload that? The new one?
Did we make one
Yeah.
on the new indicator?
Yeah.
Like a video for YouTube?
No.
You mean a video for premium?
For premium.
Oh.
It is premium. I don't know if I sent it to you. I'll double check.
Okay, yeah, after stream
double
today,
check.
we'll make sure
Well, it's
that
at home.
everything's uploaded.
I did that class at
Oh.
home.
Alright, so we'll wait. But don't worry, you guys will get everything.
That
Good
almost tested your London high, guys. So your high of day is currently sitting at 318. If we can sweep out that 318, to be honest, you're pretty set for a good long.
Bro, I'm so excited for what's coming.
It sounds like it.
Actually, there's one thing I wish I could talk about, but we definitely can't yet. It's the
Oh, I see you're talking about that.
no, just so you know what I'm talking about. The temporary thing. The thing that's gonna be temporary. The thing that's gonna be. I'm just gonna write it down.
This guy's so hype, bro.
Because I know there's okay.
Do you not use fib levels ace in the indicator? I do.
That.
Oh,
Like
yeah,
definitely we can't talk about that yet.
No, not
but I
yet.
am saying there's gonna be certain things
We just
happening.
VDV. We don't want to get you guys hype and then we can't execute it for a good while, right? Like we want to make sure everything in the pipeline is already in action for when we do announce it to you guys. John's just super excited for the fact
excited
that
'cause
it is in the pipeline and it is being worked on. But
It's been like 3 months of talking and brainstorming and figuring out how we could do it the best. And then recently there's been like big moves being made for
Yeah.
like actual execution. And then when it's done, then we'll do the full announcement. But I will say,
why aren't you guys on TikTok? That's what he wanted to say.
I want to say it in a way that doesn't give it away.
He's in here, Eric. You don't see him?
I don't know. I don't know how to say it.
Eric, he's in here. He's listening.
I don't know how to say it without it sounding.
He hides. I know. I love him.
I don't know how to say it without it sounding like I feel like the only thing I could say is you don't want to miss out without giving it away.
Eric, me and
Whatever,
him
you guys will know soon.
have a 198-day Snapchat streak.
How long is ours?
Ours is longer. Ours is like almost a year and a half, I think.
538 days.
Yeah.
Type shit. We've been in the game.
That's like my version, guys, of staying connected with friends. Because I suck at messaging. So I just send a snap like, I'm still alive. Hope you're doing well.
Mm-hmm. I don't understand people who talk shit about Snap. Like,
I used to for the longest time.
Bro, it's like the easiest thing.
You know why? It's because I got a bad rep for just being like, yo, send nudes, baby girl. I won't show no one.
Bro, I need
It's so
I need
funny.
a new song stuck in my head because the only thing stuck in my head right now is oh.
We're at 840. What's at 840?
840? 840? Hmm.
Oh, Snapchat. I know. Me and Buffett are.
840?
Yeah.
Damn, 840 is crazy. Thinking back when I was in high school, these two girls had one that was like over 1,000 something, and then they lost it, and they literally like contacted Snap support to try to get it back, and they said no. And then now it's like you can pay for it.
Yeah. Jill and her sister have like one that's like 2,000. Oh no, you know who has the longest? Amar and his wife. They have like 5 years, 6 years.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Sometimes when
There's
we
85. So, like I said, I wanted under 85 for a trigger into the shorts. That puts us, so just so that you guys have some sort of frame, this whole move right here, if you guys just look at where that begins, it's literally around 80 to 88. And a lot of that closes is right at like 83. So 85 would be like that close watch. There it is. So we'd need it underneath now, and then that would trigger into a short.
Very interesting.
But it needs to be underneath that 80. Otherwise, taking that as the bounce point is decent too.
Yeah.
I still prefer the short though.
I like 75. Personally.
75 is definitely the more confirmed. 75
Mhm.
is what I took for the extra long,
Oh,
like
yeah,
where
yeah.
I took my trim.
Makes sense, makes sense. Yo, is Pondy still here?
Yo, Pondy River, you still here?
Pondy Bulba.
Pondy River, Pondy Pond.
Oh, Pondy is still here. Yo, Pondy, how does how does the payout feel?
Turn the Pondy upside down. He's a payout now.
Pondy, how does the payout feel? I went to strip club. I understand.
W.
W payout. W strip club. Very nice, very kind. Where's Miss Carol? Is Miss Carol here?
Miss Carol.
You know, we talk about Miss Carol.
We were talking about her today.
Yeah. We were at the gym and I was like, huh, Miss Carol, dialysis technician.
Back room.
She's probably busy doing
W
dialysis.
Pondy blowing your money.
No, I love to see it. That's like the only reason we're doing any of this. You know?
So people can go to the strip.
Oh, so people can get paid.
What that rap? What the heck? Oh my gosh, I'm dead.
You've got to be.
I'm so dead. Screenshot that
so
chat
funny.
too. That's perfect.
The real business of Prophub. Yeah, that was the actual hidden announcement. Is we're gonna open our own club.
Holy.
And we're getting you guys payouts so you can blow your money there.
That short
nice.
trigger is still there for me.
I understand. I mean, hey, you got your system, baby girl.
Baby girl. Don't you want to see me dance? You want to see me twirl.
Don't you want to see me dance? Put it in your under.
So if I have an SL at these highs, guys, it is a risk of $136 hairs per account. So it's a risk I'm willing to take, maybe even a little higher actually.
Mm. Mm.
How much risk is that?
Mm.
$169.50. 50 cents. 169.
Kel said that's all I do with my earnings. I understand.
Except the girl, Kels, is your wife. Ooh, back above 300. This thing could be going long right now. That's a juicy push.
Yeah, I was waiting on it.
Yeah, I want to see if it closes above my 2, which is at 312. Literally, honestly, any close over 305 is good, regardless of the wicks.
I like 310.
Why are you undercutting my 5 points?
I'm sorry, I like 310. I'm sorry. It is my hourlies. 310.
305. If it does get that close, guys, I will reverse position.
Very interesting. Hit that dance.
We will see. Back under 300 here. I don't even have as
I'm
much.
just chilling.
He's just chilling.
I'm just chilling like
He's
a
just a
billing.
villain.
Chilling like a billing. Bro, I wish I can go into the future.
Like a building. Why? What's in the future?
All the shit we have coming.
Oh. You're still on about that? What the heck?
Sorry, I'm a little excited. There's a lot of fun stuff.
Mm.
Ooh, ow, ow. Very exciting, very exciting. Okay, gotta run. Glad you guys are building out the site. Catch you tomorrow. Later, Kels.
Peace, baby.
Love to see it. Gotta roll out to a job. Have a great day. See you tonight. Tonight. Tonight the music is Later, Jay.
Later, Jay.
Wait, what's tonight? What's tonight?
What's going on?
I don't understand.
Here's that next test. Needs to close under 90. We're in green. 5 points. Wow. Beautiful. What's that going to do for pay bills? No.
Fuck, I think I'm gonna order food again today.
Bet you are. Big back. Rams, can I have a monster? Oh my goodness.
JG, your 80s to 90s soft rock game is fire?
He doesn't even listen to soft rock.
I don't even know what that means. Where's that coming from?
He sings it.
I sing it?
No, he does not.
Why? Why? Tell me that it's human natures. Why? Why? Na, 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 na. Tonight the music is alive. Wow, we're just kind of chopping around.
Yep. That's what I'm thinking. Like, honestly, it looks like a decent pullback on a higher time frame for a continuation run.
Chick-fil-A's. Eric said Chick-fil-A's. I'm very excited. But you know how many people are gonna... Never mind.
This guy's so hype, guys. What'd you guys do to him? What did you guys do to our boy, John?
Bro, I wish I can say. I wish I could say.
Oh, yeah, baby. That's the main PT 27. So I'm running a 1-to-1 right now. And if it can break and get to that 93. And if it could break and get to that 382, that would be the most ideal, obviously. And that would be 38.74 at 54 basically. We can trigger it at 55.
I really do like shorts. I'm just waiting for my criteria. So a very high chance that I will join you soon.
By the time you join, I'm at PT.
Mr. PT, because I will join
55, I said, is main
Oh,
PT.
yeah, no. I'm joining on a close below 76. And then I will join.
76 is my 618. You see how our levels align?
But do you appreciate the 618?
Do I appreciate it? Let me ask it. Baby, tell me why.
Tell me why you're...
There we go, guys. A little bit of movement there.
What?
Getting some movement. Oh, I lied.
Tell me that it's human natures.
People saw that 10 points. Are like, huh, honestly, in this chop, yes.
Hmm?
In this chop,
Oh, shit, let me actually...
yes. Want to have a trigger as a just in case. Get that crazy wick.
Tell me that it's human nature.
Ba-da-da-dum-bum-bum.
I keep wanting to say something. This is actually annoying me.
So then say something.
I can't.
Oh, okay.
I can't do it. I can't do it without people being able to guess what's going on, and then it won't be as fun.
See what you're saying. I actually like that last test right there. Move our stop. Can we stack on Apex? Stops? Can. Wow. You can stack stops on Apex. Wow.
You can what? W party. Trilled out on the last one. I'll take it. W party. Love to see it. Super sexy.
Super kind. Super nice. Super mind. Mega mind. This one? What?
No.
No, who was it? Oh! Sorry, I wasn't thinking. No, I was thinking of S90.
Alright, I was doing something on my phone. I'm locked back in. ES dumping. Is that what's going on?
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda. I understand. I still think this is gonna dump, but I need below 76. That is my human nature. What about you?
I like your 76 so much that I have a trim at 77. 77, 78 is my trigger. But if it closes at 305, like I said, guys, I'll have my fill. But if I'm giving it basically a wick to 321, which obviously not a fan of, but I'm trusting it. Because you have previous day wick that goes all the way to 318. Yeah, 318.25 is your previous day wick. It's holding 300 pretty decently. And again, a close of 305 would give you the strongest close of the session so far. On a 15-minute as well, 306.25. So yeah, it would give us a close above that 15-minute candle as well if it were to go above 305. That's a close above 300 on a 2-minute right there. Could get some action. If you guys want the early cut, you guys definitely can. I'm not stopping you. I'm just okay with my risk attached.
I get it. I understand.
Tell me why that's human nature.
You know what my goal is? My goal is in the month of May, I want to see Jay and VDV get their first payout. That's my goal.
Easy. Next. What's your next call?
Anybody else want to join that party who hasn't gotten a payout yet? Because that's going to be my focus. I'm going to keep track of Jay and VDV. I'm going to keep them in check.
That's
until they
above
get a payout.
305. We're testing above 305 here.
I need payout. All right, bet Yeti. I'm going to keep track of you too. You better stick to your shit, or I'm going to make fun of you.
Close twice on a 15-minute at 306 actually.
Tell me that it's human natures. No.
On
I
a
see.
1 minute, guys, what I was just yapping about here in the corner was basically 306.75 was your highest close on a 1 minute. On a 2 minute, it is that 302 ish. It is below 300 again. Any pops above, then that just looks like a nice retest for that potential long. Still hasn't cracked literally John's level that he's been yelling from the rooftops of 76.
From the rooftops.
Which I actually really agree on. But we were up, almost 15 points there for a little trade if you guys wanted it.
To make
Wow.
it simple, for me, it's just below 76 and above 310.
Yeah. I actually really agree with that.
Tell me that. Okay, Yeti, VDV, and J. Starting today, what you're gonna do, win or loss, you're gonna, if it's a win, you're gonna put it in testimonials, and if it's a loss, you're gonna put it in loss lessons, and you're gonna write what mistake you made, to stay accountable.
Yeti, you've gotten payouts.
He says I need payout.
He needs payouts. I need payouts too. But you've
Hey.
gotten shit ton payouts. No, not yet. I swear you have, Yeti.
You're probably thinking of someone else
What? Me too. I need payouts. See, Eric.
type shit. Listen, it's very simple. I feel like if you guys, and you have to force yourself. I know you're gonna be embarrassed sometimes that your ass decided to fucking go 5 minis and blow an account. But I need all of you.
To be fair,
Be
I
fully
would rather
transparent.
them show the loss
That's what I'm saying.
and be able to accept it, because
Yeah.
then that actually shows growth.
Because it's easy to make excuses for yourself, but if you're gonna have to type and literally tell everybody the mistakes that you made, it's gonna be easy for you to listen to yourself, because you're gonna be like, "Fuck, what am I gonna do? Go 5 minis and then get flamed by everybody that I was being dumb again?" Okay, note to myself, not to listen to JJ. What did I do?
Hmm.
Please tell me.
Got that wick. Still sitting at that 300 level. Guys, this thing is not moving. We are wedged.
I want to see what we do above that 310. It might be human natures.
Why? Why?
What? Tell me that it is human nature.
I like how my triggers is just like literally like 3 points under you. So now it just seems
Hmm.
like I'm undercutting you. Like
I
I
get
said
it.
though, guys, if it closes above 305 to 307, that would be basically my trigger to reverse trade. Got that 1 minute close or 2 minute close, sorry, above. 5 minutes still needs 2 more. 2 more minutes on it. 1 minute is obviously closed above. Testing underneath right now. And it's approaching 11 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets. It's underneath 300 once again. It was waiting for me. I pulled up. And good luck. Don't. Got plans to put my hands in places I've never seen. Girl, you know
Finally
what I
recovered, up from
mean.
a 1.5k loss last month. W.
Nice Alpha Mirror.
Good shit. Good shit. I'm telling you right now, I'm calling it. VDV, J, and Yeti. If they actually do what I said, they're gonna get their first payout in May. It's all on them to stay locked in.
I mean, it's always been on them.
I know, but I better see it. Because if I don't see a testimonial, I'm gonna assume you took a loss. And if you didn't put it in there, I'm gonna be disappointed. Pretty young thing. Yo, who watched the Michael Jackson movie? Anybody here watched it? Anybody here went out, saw that
Saw that.
on some type shit?
Typing while shitting.
Were you shitting? Were you typing? Dun 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 dun.
Did you use a scheduler
For what?
for a post?
No. I
Posted
just
9
posted.
minutes ago. Oh,
That was me.
you comment for me? You did.
I did.
You're a beautiful man.
Thank you very much. I'm very sexy sometimes.
But it's testing again.
Dun, dun, dun,
Closed on the
dun.
5 minute. It did. Closed underneath on the 5 minute. Still testing above right now.
Mm-hmm. I'll have to wait
It's
until it comes
literally
to
sideways
TV.
as shit. I think we have a good stop. It is above London high. You guys can be looser, obviously, just in case of any wicks. But that's like an extra freaking 5 points of risk. Doesn't seem like a lot, but in comparison, that goes to 432 versus 381. So
What's your
$40.
SL? 26. That's a good SL. I think above 310 there is potential for longs, but I would much rather a rejection from here for the short.
Yeah. And that still triggers literally my confirmation is 80. Yours is 70,
76.
76.
I've said it 25 times. Come on.
That's 1 point off.
I understand. I want to love you. Pretty young thing.
Wow. Came down.
Patience, baby. That's all it takes.
It will pay. It will pay.
Patience pays. Listen, at the end of the day, we are all here to trade good and get some payouts.
Trade good.
Trade good.
You know how to English?
Trade good. Trade well.
To learn English. We're all here to learn English.
Where's Miss Carol? She is a teacher.
I don't even think she's a teacher.
No, she's a dialysis technician.
Yeah.
We've already talked about this. Oh.
Calling it a day.
Whoa. Was it calling it the gay? What? Yo, I didn't say anything. Ugh. Alpha, what happened? Talk to me, baby.
Were you trying to take that
Eval
long?
blown, funded meant the daily TP. Okay. Hey, the funded hit the daily TP.
That's a banger.
That's a banger.
If anything, that matters more.
That definitely matters more. For sure. So
I
good
need to
shit.
restock
Good shit,
on
Alpha.
my office pills. John, you said you were going to bring pills to the office. You haven't taken them or bought them.
I know, I keep forgetting to bring my vitamins. I need to go out and buy them.
What do you need?
Uh,
What
A
do you
lot.
like to take?
I used to take everything. Like I need some like vitamin D, some B12. It's B12, some like B complex, some zinc, some
Wow.
what's the other one? Shit, I don't remember. I haven't taken them in so long. Some fucking what's one that starts with an M?
With an M?
Magnesium.
That's what I just took.
What else? Shit, I don't
Magnesium
know. A bunch of stuff. I used to take like 7 at the same time.
by glycinate.
Whoa, and they did it again. Have to head to day job. Later, Alpha. I hope you have a good time.
Have a good shift.
A good shit. Is he
Yeah.
typing while he's shitting?
I don't know. I am.
Come on.
The R to R is reflecting my first fill. Obviously, I added in a little bit more there. But that is green. There's a slide to the 80. Guys, that's where I said if you guys really
nice.
want, that's your first trim. I'm not trimming. I want to hold that risk. And as soon as it breaks, I will be moving my stop to literally break even, basically, or just above break even. But it needs to break 80 first.
Mm-hmm.
Any reclaims of 305 from here, really bad sign, because then that just took bottom of range to the top of range.
I completely agree. I'm still waiting for my 76.
I love how patient you're being, John.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's all about patience.
I've been patient.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we
I'm looking. Never mind.
That was literally, what, 10 points on the dot from my new cost average.
Mhm.
Just waiting it out, guys. I do have a trigger for a trim at 62. And here we go. We're trying underneath that 80.
The only thing is, I like the 76, but it might go without me. But I don't care.
You don't have a limit?
No, I need to close.
Mm-hmm.
I need to close for real, for real. I wanna love you, pretty young thing. All right, I'm gonna talk to my production.
Stop has been adjusted, guys, as we try to go under this 80. Again, you guys could reduce risk here. No one's telling you guys to hold or do anything. I'm not holding you guys at gunpoint.
This is for educational purposes only.
You know. That went really close to my 76.75 at my 618.
Hmm. I actually do not mind that close. We're like in between right now.
I still need it to close underneath 80. Otherwise, this thing's still in range bound.
Yeah, in between for me, like the 85 to 76. That's like an in between zone. Just gotta wait. Man, I got out at BE on the short. I
It's
understand.
okay. That's valid. It's not like it's anywhere crazy right now.
Mm-hmm. I'm still waiting, being patient. I'm literally just gonna wait for this, and if it doesn't play out, then I'll probably just call it.
Yeah.
Or I might flip for a buy, potentially. Potentials, I'd have to see.
Pretty young thing. You got some loving.
Yo, there's a lot of potential for scalpy, but I have to wait for a close.
Ooh, that was sexy. Went to go retest that entry, guys, at 90. Came back down to test 80, so 10 points. I want to see if this thing can break that 80. That's going to be the key thing here. Is just a break of that 80. It keeps getting a little bit of a test. We got as low as 77.5, but does need to crack that for the move all the way down. And I had my real fill all the way down to 54, but that's 66 is where I actually should have my trim. Let me readjust. It should be for most.
And I know I'm gonna be happy. Oh,
What is that? 6, so I can do 0.5.
I'll be there for you.
There we go, guys. And feel free to start moving your stops. Good catch. Flipped on the day green.
W
And
short.
just holding through. Oh, shit. I dragged my full stop. I still want to be in this.
I understand.
So overall from this trade,
Later,
that
Eric.
is 20-something points there. I just triggered myself for a lighter position, obviously. So I just wanted the trim. I ended up taking full out. But my stop now is going to be right around that 300. So 298 is where it's sitting. I wouldn't even mind keeping it at like 301, 303. But it is with a significantly lighter position. 2 cons. Oh no, that's 4. Oops.
Ite said, JJ, I got a surprise for you. What is it?
Another
Surprise me.
payout.
All right, I'm done. Gonna watch the new Trade Away video. Go for it, brother.
Banger.
We will see you
Love
later,
you.
AK.
If that cracks the weekly anchor, this thing should flush. There we go. And filled for 55 right there. You guys saw that.
Beauty.
I'm actually going to fill myself for one more. And now I only have 2 cons left per account. And my SL is now in at 77. I could even do 80, 81. And I'll just hold that bad
Good
boy.
shit. Bro, Site, look at that screenshot.
So my risk right now, guys, is 49. Even if this goes red, I will be green on the day now. Sexy Cite.
Bro, Site's copy trading 52
And guys,
accounts.
that was literally the PT I said. Look at my R2R on screen at 54, which is your 382. That's 38.5 points. If we can slide underneath here, then again, I'm just going to go to the next fib, which brings me to 40, 41, basically.
That's hot.
That's so hot. So next trim, going to put it on screen. There at that 40, 41. And
That is
you guys
hot.
can now move stops into profit as well and have fun with this trade.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm going to keep it at 66, so it's still in profit. Not a lot of profit, but still in profit nonetheless.
I like that. I have a CE at 60, so I like 66.
And that is weekly anchored, that's 66. Your weekly anchor plus your 0.5 extension. That bottom of the wick at 46 is actually the start of that base before the rally as well. So
Yep.
that's actually not a bad take at that 46.
Oh, really? Is that what you're telling me? Oh my god, chat, we have so much work to do. Redonkulous.
Honestly, if that reconfirms above 55, the trade's probably done from that point. And what I'm going to do is no, I still want that trade. That went to 45, literally 4 points shy. I should have dynamic darted it.
You could take a little trim out if you want.
I already took out most. I only
Oh,
have
okay.
2 cons per.
Beauty.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Love to see it.
Nice trade, guys.
Good
Looking to
shit.
see if we can get 51 points. There we go, filled. Gorgeous. And we're down to the last con. As we continue to slide, SL is now at 57, and we're just holding through 50 points, 60, 57, sorry. And your next PT is going to be, I mean, it's already there. Just let that thing go. There we go,
beautiful.
guys. Sexy, short. Sexy, sexy, short.
Absolutely
71
beautiful.
points right there. Your orb is 218. And that
I think this
just
can
went
continue
shy
to
of it.
200. I can't lie. If we stay below 35, I think we'll go to 200.
I'm just going to keep dragging my stop through the fib. So I was keeping it at 56, which honestly, I'm at my last con, so I really don't mind just holding that. No matter what, I'm securing $200 per account after being down 600 from a lot of those scalpy scalps.
And that right there is a clinic on proper risk management. That's what real trading looks like. It's not always, only greens and only bangers. But we do that a lot at Prophub. Ha! Very nice.
Yeah, that went very close to your orb high. And I'm just chilling, guys.
Yeah, we got to hold below that 35 to continue. Otherwise, this is the bottom of my range. We can bounce. Potentially get the very nice bounce. Man, closed 270. What I mean? Why are you saying What I mean? Guess I don't know. Closed the short at 27,270. Oh, I understand. See, low-key though, that candle is a perfect example of instead of having like hard limits to trim or to close, you can just literally just drag up your stop, like plus or minus 5 points, because you probably could have potentially captured an extra like 20 just by doing that.
And remember, guys, that 230 level is my hard level that I've been talking about yesterday and today. So if this thing now bounces, it will probably push decent. But I'm going to keep my stop at 56.50. And if it triggers, it triggers. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But this is the last trade. So no matter what, we'll be securing right around that $200 mark for sure. Currently at 260, 270-ish. And we're big chilling.
I think we go lower. I think we're gonna see 200. Very nice. Why is the action after I go? Alpha, where did you go? Why'd you leave? Huh? What'd you do?
Where are you going?
Look, where are you going? Look, green. Isn't that nice?
Oh.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Yay. 'Cause girl, you're worth it.
The executions on Trading Trading View is really skewed right now. It's broken.
Does it not add to your add-ins or whatever?
No, it does not showing the execution marks. So I'm just gonna turn that off.
Oh. Then use a continuation dumpy.
And that is your orb right there, guys. So
I think we go lower. Now we could get a bounce. I don't know how much of a pullback, but I do think we will hit 200 eventually. Eventually.
There's that 240 at that 236 getting tapped in, and that is that. I'm just gonna mitigate. I'm gonna watch this trade, guys, and manage it properly. I might get tapped out here if it breaks 250. But that is today's session. I hope you guys had a good time for this FOMC. Insane chop, but once it did crack, you got a nice long, and then once that consolidated, you got a nice short. So from here, who knows where it goes? It's testing 250 right now. Might get tapped. Again, my SL is at 56.50, which is in profits. And does it come out right here? 3, 2, 1. Honestly, if it cracks 250 again, the room for
Make sure
short.
you use code PHUB to get any accounts that you would like to get with the best discounts. Also, check the announcements if you missed it out. I don't know if there's any slots left for the biggest discount ever that you'll get grandfathered into. There are some major changes
That's what I
coming.
want to say.
The announcement was like a half announcement. Not even. It was like a quarter announcement. It's basically a setup to what's coming. And I didn't want to say too much, but there's only like 37 people in here. Basically,
It's fuego.
I'm really trying to find out how to say this before we end.
You can't. And I got tapped. So 222.2 I made for today's session. If it closes underneath 250 again, you might have another rally. 48 would kind of be that little bit of confirmation there. But nonetheless, insanely decent session. Going from red to green. We've done it again. Is that what you're waiting for, party?
I found out how I can say it. Basically, if you show up to Prophub in the aftermath of everything that happened and you miss this like upcoming era, you're going to be very angry because I would. That's all I can really say. But you guys are gonna find out soon, like within the next coming weeks anyway.
There's
So
also like only 2 more available
for the grandfathered price.
the grandfathered price yearly.
Yeah.
And again, guys, if we increase prices or anything like that, don't say we didn't tell you, okay? Because we're not gonna try to bend the rules for anyone. Otherwise, we're gonna have to do it for everyone.
And we have staggered on that for the
Payment
yearly?
plan. Yeah,
Yeah.
if you guys choose to do the payment plan, that is optional for y'all as well.
Yes, you don't have to pay the entire thing up front because we wanted to make it easy for people. Because I know sometimes it's like you want to get it, but you're like, oh, I don't know if I can drop that
That much right away.
So there's a payment plan for it too. But yeah, that was it. W stream.
W-stream.
Make sure you guys show up tomorrow and get excited for the future of Prophub. It's gonna be definitely more than anybody's ever really done.
For real. Anyways, we love you
That's
guys.
it. We love you guys.
Bye.
Peace.